Welcome, drawing students. This is about sketchbook assignments. I hope to explain to you the expectations I will have for completing your sketchbook assignments. You should have received a sketchbook in your drawing kit, either in class or one that you picked up. It should have a sheet like this in the sketchbook. These are the drawing prompts. We will do 6 sketchbook assignments, and each of them will have a different topic. And this sheet here just has some drawing prompts for you to help you get ideas of what you want to draw. These are the things that I'd like to see. So you received a sketchbook in your drawing kit. Now, if you find that you draw in your own sketchbook that you have already, I'm okay with that. This sketchbook that I provided to you, you can use for other purposes if you'd like. The purpose here is, as a drawing student, I would like to see you practice and challenge yourself. So there are 6 sketchbook assignments that are due every few weeks. Usually they're due on a Monday, I believe, in order to give you the weekend to kind of work on it. Maybe that's something you relax and can do in your extra time. I am really open to what you want to draw in these sketchbook assignments. I'm looking for you to practice. Some of you come to me with different styles. You really prefer to do different types of drawings. The assignments that I give you in class have some parameters, where the sketchbook assignments, I'm giving you very few parameters because I just want you to draw. I want you to practice. So if you have things that you really like to draw, I would encourage you to draw those things. This is your way of expressing yourself in the drawing assignments. So use the prompts to help you to get ideas. It should be your own original work. So I do have artists that know how to copy different other artists, whether it be cartoons or other styles. I want you to be very original. If you like a particular style, make it your own in some way. As artists, that's how we also expand in our abilities, is not only in our skills, but in the way we can be creative and come up with new ideas. So launch from the things that you really like to draw and draw those things that interest you. And I want you to be able to find a new pathway to grow. All right, and this is for drawing practice. So now I'm going to swing over to Sketchbook, or I mean Canvas, the format that we are using, and I'll show you that how to do this in Canvas. So here's Canvas and our drawing class page, and I actually will have the assignments over here to the right, and those will be in order. So we already had a hexagon collaboration, so if you did create a hexagon and would like to bring that to school and include it in our collaborative work, that'd be awesome. And then we have our list of drawing assignments. And they can also be found here in modules as well as assignments. So here's our modules. This is the order in which this class will proceed is through modules. And you should have just done the creativity module and completed that assignment. And here are the 6 sketchbook assignments. So I'm going to click on this one here, and it's going to explain the sketchbook assignment. So the first sketchbook assignment is People. It's due September 4th. It's worth 20 points, and you will upload it. So you received a sketchbook in your drawing kit. Our first sketchbook assignment is the People. You choose how you want to draw it. You may use other materials. So if you want to use any kind of drawing materials, pencils, pen, markers, colored pencils, you can also even submit something digital. So long as it's your drawing, be original. Please do not copy other artists. Create these drawings in your own style with your great ideas. So this is, as I mentioned, the purpose of the drawing is to get you practicing and doing more of it. There'll be a sketchbook assignment due every 2 or 3 weeks. Here are the prompts that might help you generate some ideas if you can't think of anything. And then I will use this rubric to grade your assignments. So I grade based on artistic process. You were planning and you came up with an interesting idea. Your originality, is it complete? You've completed and executed the plan. Your effort and craftsmanship. All those are important in this drawing. Now, once you've completed your drawing, you're going to take a picture of it. Make sure you take a good photo in good lighting. So make sure you're kind of near a window or there's no glare or anything like that. And uh, send me a real well lit photo. And then you're going to submit it in this way. You're going to hit this submit assignment button and then you're going to choose a file. So I would save this image that you've created in your computer, in your picture files or wherever you find that works for you to find it. And then find your photo, click on it, and then you're going to submit it. Certainly you can add some comments here if you need to. And then submit your assignment. And then I will receive it and grade it, okay? And it'll show up right here. If you want to resubmit it, you sure can. If you don't think the picture turned out well, or maybe I made a comment that, hey, maybe you should do a little bit more on this. Maybe it wasn't quite enough. If you want full points, I may send it back to you or comment on it, and then you have an option to improve it and resubmit it again. All right, so that is sketchbook assignments.